We begin first up with the news that we're tracking from Bangladesh. It's Bangladesh Interior Government that has revised textbooks on the 1971 Liberation War that would state that Zia-ur-Rahman declared Bangladesh's independence. So clearly an attempt to distort history by Yunus administration by glorifying military leader Zia-ur-Rahman and a bid to deny Mujibur Rahman's role in the 1971 Liberation War. New books that are going to be published that would say that Zia-ur declared the 1971 independence. So it's another controversial diktat by Yunus. New textbooks that will now be published on the 1971 Liberation War that would state that Zia-ur-Rahman declared Bangladesh's independence and clearly an attempt to deny Mujibur's role in the 1971 war. Let's go across to Shivangi joining us live from the newsroom. Shivangi, Mujibur Rahman is undoubtedly a revered figure in Bangladesh. He's called father of the nation, of course. But tell us, talk to us about how time and again there's clearly an attempt by the Yunus administration to deny the role that Mujibur Rahman played in the 1971 Liberation War.
That is right, Samiksha. And like you were saying that this has been an attempt to really distort the facts of history, not to distort the facts, history facts, but also downplay India's role in the Liberation War. So what has happened right now that Bangladesh is starting to rewrite the history books, putting in this information that it was Zia-ur-Rahman and not Mujibur Rahman as the one who declared the country's independent. That is right. And this is coming in the backdrop of all the controversies we have been seeing ever since the Yunus government has taken over. This is a big update that we've got for our viewers. And if I'll just take our viewers to the latest. The books are claiming that Zia-ur declared independence on March 26, 1971 and reiterated on the behalf of Mujibur Rahman. That means what they're trying to say is that he was the one who had declared the independence on behalf of Mujibur Rahman. And this is the big update we got for you as we see that the changes are coming as the interim government is taking some calls on their own. It looks like the Yunus government is under pressure from some forces to distort history, to distort some facts. Also, like I was telling our viewers, that this is one more attempt by the Yunus government to downplay India's role. India played a very pivotal role in the Liberation War, and they are downplaying India's role. Now, these books are going to be made available. Actually, they already are made available. From Jan 1st is when these books and these textbooks have been made available to students, school students, Samiksha.
Yes, Shivangi, thank you for the moment, and let's also not forget the day when Zia-ur-Rahman's statue was toppled at the time of ouster of Sheikh Hasina. For now, let's also shift focus to more news that we are tracking from Bangladesh. All right, before we move on to the next story, let's once again tell you that's a controversial diktat by the Yunus administration. New books that will be published on the 1971 Liberation War that would declare military leader Zia-ur-Rahman's role in the 1971 war, clearly an attempt to downplay and deny Mujibur's role in the 1971 war.